Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are filming a first impression of the Illamasqua Experimental Artistry palette, so if you are curious about that, please keep on watching. Yes, the word artistry is very hard for me to pronounce, so I did the intro 5 times probably. So Experimental Artistry palette, that's the name of this palette. I will call it the very colorful Illamasqua palette because this is a rainbow. And we are gonna do a look. As you can see, I have all my makeup done except the eyes. I am actually filming another video. I'm filming a comparison between the Tilbury Beautiful Skin and the Purito Cica Clearing BB Cream, and I'm gonna compare two mascaras as well, the Rare Beauty and the Essence in the pink tube. So I'm gonna compare those right after we are doing the look. So today I'm filming a lot. This retails for around $45, and as you can see is a very colorful palette, and I will insert some swatches. And this is a full matte palette. It's a 12 pen and I am excited to test it. I am a bit scared of it because when I swatch it I saw that the formula is a bit dry. That's the reason my green shade is not looking the best. It is missing a bit of shadow. So what I will do is a rainbow look or something like that. I am not sure yet, but I'm gonna select some very tiny brushes because I want to be as precise as possible. Okay, I'm starting with this tiny brush and I'm gonna take the yellow and we will put it right here. For most of the shades I will just push it in here, in place I mean, and we will blend later, but this seems pretty pigmented. This palette I got actually as a birthday gift because on the 14th of September it was my birthday, so I will not count this one in my love buy, but a very nice gift. I don't actually have a rainbow palette, but I do have a lot of colorful palettes, so for sure I have the rainbow over and over. But it's nice to have a very colorful full matte palette just when you want to have a specific color and you know that you can reach in your rainbow palette. Of course, these rainbow palettes are usually companion palettes, but today I will do a full look. I'm taking the first orange in here, this one. That's a thing that I don't love about this palette. I don't know why 3 oranges were necessary, because the second and the third, these two, they are pretty much the same. I will use the same brush for the red as well. I'm curious about this shade. We do have a bit of keycap in the pen, if I can show you. Yeah, you can see it. But usually pigmented shadows have a bit of keycap, so I'm not mad of the keycap if these shades are pigmented, and so far so good. And I'm just going in the order of the palette: yellow, orange, red, purple, blue, green. I think we are gonna do purple, blue, green on the lower lash. That could be interesting. So I will take this red a bit in here and we will blend just in here into the purple and into the lower lash. Maybe I'm gonna do a cut crease and put on the whole lid white. That could be fun, or a shimmer. I'm still thinking about it. So I'm gonna take another brush and this purple, and then we are gonna use this one that's a bit on the bluer side. So we're gonna use this one on the edge, this one into the lower lash, then this one, or maybe I could use the blue. We will see. I'm gonna skip one of these. I'm gonna skip one of those shades because it's not necessary for all the shades to be in the look. You can blend between them if they are similar. So something like this. Oh, I like it. This brush is a more flat brush, but you can blend a bit with this. So I'm just starting from the lower lash. Can you see something? I hope you can. I'm starting from the lower lash and then just gently adding a bit of shadow and creating a line. So we have something like this. I will use the indigo shade, this one, and I will blend this in here. And then after placing all the shadows, I will just go back and blend everything again. So this is the indigo. I really like this indigo shade, it's so beautiful. And then I'm taking the blue, just because I really want to have the true blue. And I'm using another brush, a more detailed one, and taking a bit of the blue and placing it right here. I did clean a bit this tiny brush, and I'm taking this green in here. I did skip these two just because, again, I don't need all the shades for blending, but they are nice to be there just in case. And I'm placing it in the inner part and blending it into the blue a bit. Okay, so let me blend this just a tiny bit more and pick a shimmer, and we are gonna do the cut crease together and put the shimmer. Okay, so here is the blend. I actually did add another shade to the look. I added this purple in here just because I don't want the cut crease to go right here at the end. So I decided to put the purple in here, and then we are gonna use the Sigma base. Did I say in the beginning that this is the base that I had? Probably not, but we are talking about it now. So I will put some in here, and I will take a flat brush like this one and I will blend it. My application on my laptop is not synchronizing, so I can't see this in real time. So I don't know if you can see everything. Hopefully you can. I'm just applying a bit more in here. Okay, so we have something like this. Again, it's not perfect, but the blend is not perfect either. And I decided to pick a shade from the Club Nebula palette. And I think we will pick... what shade do we want? I think this Celestial, it will look great because I do have a lot of oranges. And maybe I could put a bit of the You're My Only Hope on the exterior here. That's the plan. So I'm taking Celestial first and I will spray the brush because I want to be as precise as possible, and we are putting this shade in here. Taking You're My Only Hope, and I sprayed this one as well, and I'm placing it right here. And then lastly, I'm taking a bit more of this purple and blending in here. Just a bit. So this is the final look, 7 brushes later. and I will put some mascara. I will film the other video and put some lashes as well, and I will be right back. Okay, so this is the final look with the Illamasqua rainbow palette. I'm not gonna try to pronounce that word again. And this is the look, like I said. I really like it. I skipped lashes though, just because I'm doing a wear test with the foundations and the mascaras, so I wanted to see how the mascaras are performing throughout the day. So I skipped lashes for today, but I really like this look. It is a nice rainbow palette. The shades are pretty pigmented, so I don't think these 2 greens are needed, and these 3 oranges for sure are not needed. So a 10 pan palette would have been perfect, but overall I like this palette. I think it is a really good formula. I will test it, of course, more. This is my first impression. I will test it more and let you know if these shades are blending very easily, because I didn't blend them that much. I just put them on place. I just place them and then blend just a bit the edge and into the other shades. So I need to use just 1 or 2 or 3 shades from here, and then put other shades from other palettes just to see if they are blending very great as well. But overall I do like the palette and I really love this look. So if you like the video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.